Okay, so, Cricket, are you ready to go to Happy Dog? Nope, you gotta sit in your chair. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. We going to Happy Dog? Nope, you gotta sit in your chair. Happy Dog. Nope, you gotta sit in your chair. Happy Dog. It's the Happy Dog. Happy Dog. Happy Dog. You ready to go? Let's go. Let's go. Nope, you gotta sit in your chair. Okay, good girl. Good girl. You ready to go? You ready to go? You want to go with Mom? Nope, you gotta sit in your chair. Okay. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. I'm going to Happy Dog with my mommy. There she is. Big Cricket kisses. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Unfiltered 50s. Cricket and I are going to do a little vlog here. Cricket is going to her favorite place on earth, the Doggy Day Spa. That's right. Cricket is having a blueberry facial today, her teeth brushed, and a shampoo, and maybe even a little bit of a trim, although I don't know what there is to trim on the sweet baby. But she loves to go to Happy Dog. Happy Dog. Happy Dog. Happy Dog. And whenever Mommy starts singing Happy Dog to her, her Happy Dog song, she starts crying and just can't wait for Mommy to put on her clothes to get out. And so I actually have on my sweater backwards because she started crying so bad and going crazy that I didn't even get a chance to put on my sweater the right way. So yes, her appointment is early this morning, and we have got to get out on the road before Miss Cricket goes cray. So we are heading out, and I know this is probably not the best way or the safest way to be driving, but it is a Sunday morning, so it is very not crowded on the roads. It's early in the morning, and yeah, I'm just going to, you know, do this thing with Cricket sitting like this. So I don't have the State Farm app in my car. So yeah, but I do have tons of backup cameras, and I'm checking everywhere. I hope that this isn't going to be too rackety as far as the video quality goes, because I am filming on my phone and not my stationary. So I hope it turns out okay. But it's so cute that I will probably... Cricket's so cute. I think she's cute. I'm probably just a freaking dog mom that thinks my dog's cute. Like, you know, mothers that are annoying about their kids. That's probably who I am. I'm probably just that dog mom that drives everybody else crazy, thinking that their dog is the cutest. I wasn't that way about my kid. I knew my kid was annoying. Oh my God. I mean, Tyler was cute, but whoo, he was a spitfire, let me tell you. Ooh, baby. He was hell on wheels. He turned out to be a good guy, though. Oh, I got lucky, let me tell you. Whew, did I ever get lucky. Spencer never gave me any trouble. But Tyler, oh, man. Did he do some doozies, man. Woo! But boy, is he the light of my life. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I thought I was going to have to commit myself to the insane asylum until he was about 9. But that was okay, because whenever he was a teenager, he never gave me an ounce of trouble. Not 1 minute. So I got real lucky. I never had teenage problems out of my kids. Never. Not one. Not one single ounce. So I was really lucky. Man. That's usually whenever you have trouble out of kids. Mine was all elementary school. Yeah. Cricket, it's hot up in here, ain't it, baby? Let mommy turn down the heat. Woo! Cricket's going a happy dog. Oh, no kisses, baby. Big hug. Don't slip me the tongue. People's out walking today. People's out walking. It's a brisk day. It is a brisk day. People got too many cars up in here. They can't park them in their garage. All over the street. People's decorating for Christmas. Oh, it's starting, Cricket. Are we getting close? Are we getting close? Cricket. Oh. Oh. You better hang on. You better hang on. You better hang on, girl. You about fell over. Oh my goodness. Your heart's beating so fast. Oh my goodness, your heart's beating so fast. Oh my goodness, Cricket. Oh my goodness. My goodness, Cricket. Where are we? Oh, where are we? Cricket. Uh-oh, you're rolling down the windows. Uh-oh, you're rolling down the windows, girl. Oh. Okay, I got my mask on. I'm going to bring Cricket in and I'll be right back. So this is where Cricket goes to her spa and gets her grooming done. And so she has never been anywhere else and she's very, very used to it. And she loves the people there. She gets to go to daycare before and then they groom her and call me after. And this is just a little bit of the downtown area of Carmel where they've redone the Monon area, and it's really, really pretty down here. These are a lot of apartments. You can run and walk on this median and ride bikes, and it used to be a railway line, so it goes quite a far distance, and it's just a great area for exercise. So now we're gonna go into the drugstore and I'm gonna take a look around. If I get anything, I'll show you what I get. Okay, so I went into Walgreens. I got my prescriptions. I got some more hand sanitizer for the car because I am out. So hopefully this will fit into my little, you know, oh, I showed you the thing that was out. So hopefully this will fit without breaking. It's a little bit bigger. It still fits. Voila! Score! Score for the JK. So that's good. Whoops! Yeah. So that's awesome. I don't even know where I got this. I want to think I got this little holder at Bed Bath & Beyond, but I really like it because it fits over my purse. So now I can, you know, sanitize my hands again. And this one can go out into the trash. So got some of that. I got some of this because I realized that I did not have this to offer whenever Rhonda came up. I was out of samples for a guest, and then I do not know what I have done with my number 7 foundation that I use every single solitary day in a warm beige. So I moved it and I can't find it because I'm a scatterbrain like that. So I picked up another number 7 Protect and Perfect Advanced All-in-One Foundation, SPF 50 plus. Love this. Ride or die. And I have to have it. And I can't find mine, and I can't go a day without it. So have to have it. Absolutely have to. So I am going to put that into my CVS bag, and this can become my trash bag in my car, and I can get rid of some of this mess. Today I am going to go home and do some filming. I have got a lot of stuff to film. I will end up having to go back and pick up Cricket. I have to be very, very diligent this month in filming and editing, getting back on the horse. I got allergies so bad. I hope it's allergies. Ooh. Oh, that makes my back hurt so bad. My grandbaby, my little bitty baby, she slept like right on my arm, and she slept in bed with me. And she was like snuggled up to her granny, and for a, you know, whenever she first goes to sleep, she like sleeps on my chest and then on my arm, and then finally I roll her off, you know, in between 2 pillows, and she sleeps on her back then, and she was sniffling. And it was like she had a cold, and I hope she did not give that to me. I hope I had on my mask in that store. I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. I know, yes, I did. I took off the one mask and tried on the other mask, right? Oh well, I'll see it back on replay. When I replay this video, I'll see it back. That's okay, Jamie. Man, I have FOMO, fear of mask off. A new meaning of FOMO. It's not fear of missing out, it's fear of mask being off. Okay, yeah. All right. So anyway, I hope that you will be continuing to watch during the whole time of Vlogmas. I don't know when I will play this, but on different things that I have vlogged, if I'm doing or playing this shorty clip or vlogging clip, there will be maybe a short little addendum or to the beginning of the video, end of the video, with a introduction or a trailer at the end telling you what the giveaway will be of the video, because I don't have everything, you know, scheduled out for what giveaways are going to go with which videos. So if you're watching my videos, be sure that you are staying to the end, and like for a vlog video like this, whenever the vlog video ends, then wait, don't click off, because most likely on this video there will be an attachment that will come up with a giveaway shorty clip announcing what the giveaway will be, so that you can enter that and you will know what it is and what the random comment picker word is for the giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned, and that little shorty will be coming up after the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys very, very much, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one, guys, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever holiday it is that you are celebrating. Have a great one, stay safe, and love you, love you, love you until the next one. Stay tuned, and bye for now.